Hello everyone. Today, our group for Group 7, we will explain about the immune system agent interferon alpha 2b. Here's the explanation. What is interferon alpha 2b? Interferon alpha 2b is a biological drug that belongs to the cytokine group or natural proteins produced by the body and is used as an immunomodulatory, antiviral, and antitumor agent. This drug is a recombinant form of interferon alpha, produced using recombinant DNA technology. And then, this one is a generic name and patent name, such as the patent name is Intron A. Next is type of drugs, class and classification. The class is cytokine or interferon. The classification is immunomodulator agent. Used for treating viral infection, certain cancers, and immune-related conditions. The group is biological agent.
Next, about the indication and contraindication. For indication is Candyloma acuminata, AIDS, rheate Kaposi sarcoma, malignant melanoma, hairy cell leukemia, chronic hepatitis B, chronic hepatitis C, carcinoid tumors, follicular lymphoma, chronic myeloid leukemia, and the last is multiple myeloma. And for contraindication is hypersensitivity, history of severe cardiac disease, epilepsy, autoimmune hepatitis or history of autoimmune disease, immunosuppressed transplant receipts, rapidly progestive visceral disease, pre-existing thyroid disease, current or history of severe psychiatric condition, particularly in children and adolescents, severe renal or hepatic impairments, including the decompensated liver disease or death caused by metastasis. Next, about the side effects. First is common side effects, frequently occur and are usually not dangerous. It's like a fever, muscle aches, headaches, nausea, vomiting, dry mouth, loss of appetite, and hair loss. And the next is serious side effects. It's like severe effect that might be life-threatening and require medical attention. It's like severe allergic reactions, liver problems, heart, vision, or chest complication. And the next is blood-related effects. Due to interferon affecting blood cell production in the bone marrow, it's like anemia, neutropenia, and the last is thrombocytopenia. And the last is psychological and nervous system effect. It's like due to interferon affecting the central nervous system. It's like depression, irritability, confusion, sudden drowsiness, and the last is suicidal thought, impulsive behaviors.
So I'll explain about pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic. Pharmacodynamic mechanism of action interferon alpha 2b binds to specific membrane receptor on the cell surface. Once bound, it initiated a series of intracellular activities, including induction of the certain enzyme, suppression of cell proliferation, enhancement of the phagocytic activity of macrophage, augmentation of cytotoxicity of lymphocytes for target cell, and inhibition of viral replication. For the pharmacokinetics, absorption, bioavailability, 83% intramuscular and 60% subcutaneous. Time to peak plasma concentration approx 3 until 12 hours, intramuscular or subcutaneous by the end of a 30-minute infusion or IV. Second is distribution. Volume of distribution are 31 liter. And metabolism, primarily renal, filtrate, and absorption at the renal tubule. Excretion, elimination, half-life, approx 2 hour IV, approx 2 until 3 hour IM or intermuscular and subcutan. For the dosage and administration mode, we can see that when we give the dosage, it's depend on the condition, and for the mode of administration, we can see that we can give the injection, either it's intramuscular or subcutan. Nursing consideration of interferon alpha 2b, first is before administration. Before administration, we have to check liver and kidney function. After that, check mental status and monitor CBC. Second, at the time of administration. At the time of administration, first we have to monitor for fever, chills, muscle aches, or second is watch for service fatigue and injection site irritation. Third is rotate injection site. The third is patient education. Patient education, common cold effect at the start of therapy. Drink plenty of water, report bad mood or depression, and avoid to alcohol. And the last is follow-up, routine lab monitoring, and evaluate response to therapy.
Okay, so for the pregnancy safety index, the pregnancy category is C or FDA. The first one is used only if urgently needed and the benefit outweigh the risk. The second one is not recommended for routine use during pregnancy and should avoid to use caution while breastfeeding. The last one is needs close monitoring by obstetrician. So for the special precaution, the patient with current of history of service psychiatric condition for adults, preface of current arithmetic disorders, debilitating medical condition like a history of pulmonary disease, diabetes mellitus prone to ketoacidosis, coagulation disorders like thrombophlebotitis, pulmonary embolism, pre-existing myelosuppression, thyroid disease or eye disorders like psoriasis or sarcoidosis, predisposition to autoimmune disorders like HGV or HIV CO infection, HGV or HBV CO infection, substance use disorder like alcohol or cannabis for the children, pregnancy, and lactation.
Okay, that's all our explanation about our material, and here's the reference from us if you want to know more about our material. See you!